Pypes Performance Exhaust delivers the power, sound, and reliability Toyota truck owners demand. Designed for the 2005 to 15 Tacoma 4-liter and 2014 to 21 Tundra 4.6 and 5.7-liter V8s. Pypes exhaust systems are the ultimate bolt-on upgrade for drivers who want to increase sound and power without sacrificing drivability or quality. Both systems are constructed of Mandrel-Bent 409 stainless steel, offering superior exhaust flow, corrosion resistance, and long-term durability even in tough climates and off-road conditions. Whether it's a Tacoma built for trail duty or a Tundra set up for towing, Pypes helps both trucks perform at their peak. Pypes systems unlock horsepower and torque while improving throttle response. Best of all, the exhaust note is deep, aggressive, and throaty under acceleration, but refined at cruising speeds to avoid cabin drone. Installation is simple and straightforward. These systems are direct fit and bolt-on using factory mounting points with no cutting or welding required. That means less time in the garage and more time on the road, or off it. Key benefits are tailored fitment, built to last, unleashed performance, aggressive sound, easy installation, and backed by a lifetime warranty. For those that demand more from their Toyota, Pypes is an upgrade that won't disappoint. So for more information, visit pypesexhaust.com or give us a call at 800-421-3890 to get your ride Pypes equipped today.